Tired of staring at a bland, boring Notion workspace? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to transform your Notion from drab to fat in just a few simple steps. First, choose a color palette that speaks to you. Websites like Coolors or Paladin can help you generate harmonious color schemes. Think about the overall mood you want to create. Next, let's adjust the page style. Click the three dots at the top right of your page, then select Page Style to change the font to something more modern like serif or mono and turn on full width for a cleaner look. Now, let's add a visually appealing cover image. Click Add Cover. Then either upload your own image or choose one from Notion's gallery or Unsplash integration. Use keywords like minimal, abstract, or even colors from your palette to find the perfect cover photo. Icons are your best friend. Add them to your pages to create visual cues and categorize your content. You can use Notion's built-in emoji library or upload custom icons. Use dividers, which you can add by typing divider to visually separate sections and create a more organized layout. This will make your page feel less cluttered and more intentional. Callout boxes are great for highlighting important information or adding a pop of color. Type Callout to insert one. Finally, play around with the layout by dragging and dropping blocks to create columns and sections. Experiment with different arrangements until you find a design that works for you. And there you have it. With a few simple design tweaks, you can transform your Notion workspace into an aesthetically pleasing and inspiring environment.